Good morning. It is a rainy Sunday. I wake up slowly. The bed is so warm. It is 8 o'clock. No rush today. I get out of bed and put on my socks. First, I make my bed. I go to the bathroom to wash up. I tie my hair back. I wash my face with cool water. I dry my face with a soft towel. I brush my teeth thoroughly. I put on some moisturizer. What should I wear today? This sweater is perfect for a rainy day. I am dressed and comfortable. The rain is still falling. I go downstairs to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet. I need some hot water. I will make some hot tea. I wait for the water to boil. I pour the hot water carefully. The tea smells lovely. Now I will make breakfast. I need bread and butter. I crack an egg. The egg is frying. I toast 2 slices of bread. My breakfast is ready. I sit by the window. The toast is crispy and good. I love watching the rain fall. The tea keeps me warm. After eating, I wash my dishes. I dry my hands. Now it is time to relax. Which book shall I read today? I choose this one. This armchair is my favorite spot. I open the book and start reading. It is a very interesting story. I decide to write in my journal. I open a fresh page. I write about my thoughts and feelings. It is good to clear my mind. I finish writing for today. I put on my headphones. I love listening to music. I check my favorite playlist. Sundays are for resting. I take off my headphones. My plants look thirsty. I fill my watering can. I water the plants gently. I clean the leaves too. They look happy now. The afternoon is turning into evening. I turn on the lamp. It is getting dark outside. I feel relaxed and calm. It is almost time for dinner. For dinner, I make vegetable soup. A warm bowl of soup is perfect. It tastes delicious and healthy. I clean up the kitchen quickly. It is time to get ready for bed. I put on my favorite pajamas. I brush my hair before sleep. I wash the day away. My bed looks so inviting. I set my alarm for tomorrow. Good night, world. I am warm and safe. Time to sleep. Soft rain sound. Before we dream, let's remember today's words. Morning words. Wake up. Brush teeth. Boil water. Activity words. Write. Listen. Water the plants. Night words. Pajamas. Lamp. Sleep. Have a wonderful week. Good night. Sweet dreams.